Imagine living each moment protected by an invisible army, fighting battles you never see. Every second, billions of microscopic invaders try to breach your defenses. Yet you're alive and thriving, thanks to the epic silent struggle unfolding within you. The threats are endless. Viruses, bacteria, toxins, even sunlight. But your body's defense is a system of astonishing complexity and resilience. Today we'll pull back the curtain to witness the drama that ensures your every breath. This is the story of the unsung miracle of your own existence. Deep within your body, a sophisticated army, the immune system, patrols non-stop. Macrophages act as scouts, devouring invaders on sight, while lymphocytes identify and remember threats. This living library adapts, learning from every battle to mount faster, stronger defenses. Every day, your immune system neutralizes countless threats without you noticing. It distinguishes friend from foe with breathtaking precision, even targeting rogue cancer cells. This is not just a shield, but an evolving, intelligent guardian. Its silent victory is the reason you're alive. Your DNA, the blueprint of life, faces thousands of attacks daily, radiation, toxins, and errors. Yet, microscopic architects, DNA repair enzymes, patrol your genetic code, finding and fixing mistakes. These enzymes snip out errors and restore the code, preserving your identity. Trillions of repairs happen every second, a maintenance operation beyond human scale. Without this constant restoration, life would unravel. This is the process that keeps your blueprint intact against relentless decay. It's the foundation of your continued existence. The brain, a 3-pound universe, is the ultimate adaptive organ. Thanks to neuroplasticity, it can rewire itself, learning, recovering from injury, and adapting to new experiences. After damage, healthy regions can take over lost functions, forming new neural pathways. Every thought and action reshapes your brain, strengthening some connections, weakening others. This constant rewiring is the physical manifestation of your potential. Your brain is a living sculpture, always changing, always adapting. You're not alone. Trillions of microbes live within you, outnumbering your own cells. This microbiome is a vital partner, helping digest food, produce vitamins, and train your immune system. It's a symbiotic relationship of breathtaking complexity. The gut-brain axis links your microbiome to your mind, influencing mood and thoughts. These tiny allies produce neurochemicals like serotonin and dopamine. Your health and happiness depend on this hidden ecosystem. They are your secret allies, essential to your survival. From invisible armies to molecular fixers, adaptive brains, and trillions of allies, the human body is a miracle. These unseen battles are the silent protectors of your existence. The harmony of guardians, architects, and allies is the greatest story never told. The next time you breathe or feel the sun, remember the miracles within you. You are, in every sense, a marvel. This journey inside reveals a universe as complex as the night sky, dedicated to keeping you alive. The scale and intelligence of these systems is humbling. Your existence is a victory won by trillions of microscopic champions. If this journey amazed you, hit like and share your favorite discovery in the comments. For more mind-blowing facts, subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what we explore next.